Hello everyone, it's me again here to share some tips in iMovie, and today I'm going to be talking about adjusting color. So as you can see, I have one clip inside of my project, and you can see a preview of that clip right here, and the clip looks pretty warm. So what I like to do is work with two different tools when it comes to adjusting my color in my clips. So once your clip is selected, you'll get this toolbar up here at the top. And I usually look at the first two tools when it comes to adjusting my color for my clips. The first one is color balance. So I'm going to click on that one. And you'll notice you have some options up here at the top under color balance. And the one that I go for automatically is the auto option. So I click on auto, and a lot of times auto does help, but sometimes it doesn't fix anything. It actually makes it worse, like what it just did right now. So when I clicked on auto, now my clip looks too cool. So I definitely don't want to use auto. So I'm going to go here where it says reset, and I'm going to click on that to bring it back to its original color. The other option we have here under the color balance tool is match color. This is only going to be useful if you have another clip inside your project. So right now I only have one clip, and it's this one right here. So match color isn't going to be doing anything for me at this moment. The other option is white balance. So if I click on white balance and I hover over the clip here, I'll get this eyedropper tool. And this tool is used to click any areas in the clip where you see like gray. And again, I don't really have any grays in my clip here. Even though my background looks gray, I shot on a blue background. So if I click maybe right here, it's not really doing anything. It's making it worse. So I'm going to click on the X here to not save those changes that I just made using white balance. And I'm going to look for another way to fix the color in my clip. But the last option we have here is skin tone balance. And this one works similarly to the white balance, where you have to click in certain points or parts in the footage to adjust the skin tone if that's something you want to do, which is not what I want to do in my clip. But I'll click on it just to show you how it works, and I'll just click any area in my clip where I want to kind of use the color to adjust my skin tone to. So again, my background is blue. When I click on that blue part in the background, this is what it's doing to my skin tone. That is not great at all. And I don't need to adjust my skin tone. It doesn't look like it needs to be adjusted to me. So I'm going to X out on this as well. And I'm going to go to the second tool that I often go to when auto doesn't work under color balance, and that's going to be the color correction tool. So I'll click on that tool, and here I have three sliders. I have one that is pretty much dealing with my cool colors. This one is dealing with saturation, and then this one is dealing with warm and cool colors. And I typically use this slider right here. So if my clip is warm, which it is, I'll use this slider to drag it down toward the cool side. And that looks pretty good. This actually looks like how I shot it in real life. My background does look blue like this, and this is how I was lit in front of the camera. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. So if your clip is too cool, then you can just use this slider and head it toward the warm part of the slider. And that will bring some warmth to your clip. But mine already looked too warm, so I want to cool it down, but not too much where it looks unnatural, just enough where it looks pretty natural and the same way it looked when I shot in real life. And that's it. That's how you adjust your color in iMovie.